to my channel. Guys, for today's video we're going to decorate our kitchen for Christmas and I'm really excited. I'm going to be doing a few DIYs and hacks on how you can do it on a budget, so I hope that you like this video. If you do, a big thumbs up. But anyways, let's get started decorating our kitchen. I think I'm going to start with the window, maybe a garland. That's what I'm thinking, so let's see what we can do together. I have to figure out how to hang my garland. The problem is I don't have any type of like command strip right now, so I think I'm going to use some nails. I have these ones. They're very small, so I think I can use those. Okay, let's do this. I think I'm going to put 3 nails, 1 on each side and 1 in the middle, so we can have some support there. So I'm gonna try. Okay, let's see. Wait. Okay, there you go. Okay, 1 there. I have 1. And then 1 in the middle. What's the... I'm not sure where's the middle, so something like that. Okay, 3 nails. And then the garland. I'm sweating already. Okay. Okay. There. And then 1 here. I think I need to put like a small twine or something like that to be able to hang that without getting out. Oh god. I put some twine here and in the middle. Let's try it again. Let's try to fix all of these branches a little bit, and then we can decorate the garland. Now that the garland is there, we're going to start putting lights. I have these twinkle lights. I'm sorry about the lighting, it's super bright, so I'm sorry about that. But anyways, let's start putting all of these twinkle lights up on my garland. Oh my god, I need a ladder. I'm getting tired of this. Oh my god. There we go. We have some twinkle lights. Now let's start decorating the garland, and I'm gonna show you real quick the things that I have to make the garland look so much better. I'm going to use a few Christmas greenery. For example, I have these ones. They are super cute and I have a bunch of them. I'm also going to be adding a few of this Christmas greenery. And then I'm thinking about this other one too. I have a lot, so I'm going to cut small pieces like this and then put them through the garland. And they have like very small, I'm not sure if they are berries, but they have a red touch. Maybe I can add a few berries. I have these ones, but I can cut a small pieces like this and insert them through the garland. Maybe, I'm not sure. What else? Oh, and I have this. I really want to use this on my garland. I want to add a touch of brown in my garland. So let's hang this first. Okay. I want to put this like swinging, maybe like this. Does that look good, or a little bit less? Let's see. This is a small close-up of the garland. This is how it ended up looking and I really love it. I love this bead garland too. And yeah, so we're done with the garland. Let's keep decorating the kitchen. Okay, now that the garland is done, I'm thinking about adding a small Christmas tree here. I always like to put some type of decoration in this area. So I'm thinking about this small Christmas tree that I have a lot of them. So yeah, this Christmas tree, but to make it look perfect for the kitchen, I have this. It's white and it's super cute. So maybe we can put the Christmas tree inside of this container, something like this. Okay, next area, it's here where I have my coffee machine. Let me take all of this out so I can decorate the area. Okay, for this area close to the coffee machine, I'm thinking about cutting boards, and I have a few. Let me show you. I have more, but I think I can use these two for now. Different heights, different colors. But then let's put them here. And another Christmas tree. I have this one. It's the same that I used in the other side, and I need another vase. So for this area, maybe this other vase in white color. It's so beautiful. I think this is like for dressing or something like that, but we're going to use it as a decoration piece for my Christmas tree. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it inside like this, and then I'm going to cover the top with all of this. I'm thinking about decorating this cutting board a little bit, and for that what I'm going to use is use a small piece of ribbon in this burgundy color. I'm going to be adding very small touches of burgundy on my kitchen just for that pop of color. I made a small bow, and then I hang small Christmas bells. Here they are from Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to use these other like small pieces of ribbon to attach these to my cutting board, something like this. Yep, and then I'm going to make a small knot on the back. Now let's make a small DIY to be able to put here, and that's going to be the final touch in this area. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the small arch type of window. This is a small decoration that I got from the Target dollar spot so many years ago, and I haven't used it in so long, but I love the shape that it has. What I'm going to do is to remove all of this clear back that it has, and once I remove that, I'm going to change the color of this. I'm going to use some spray paint in gold color, and I'm going to give it one really good coat of paint and then let it dry. This is how it ended up looking, and I really like it. I think the gold color is going to really make everything pop out. It's going to give it that really cute touch. Now I have two options. I can add the clear back that it used to have on the back, or I can print something vintage. Let's do that. Okay, so I ended up printing these. I just searched for gold vintage bells. I found this image, I folded, and I think it's going to be the perfect size for these. Yeah, almost. Yeah, it's gonna work. So let's stick this together. This is how the DIY turned out, and I really like it. Now let's add it here, and it has gold on the bottom too, so it matches perfectly. We have another area done. Let's keep decorating. This is the other area that I'm going to decorate. This is my small dining table, and I'm going to start by using this tray. It's from Five Below. First, I'm going to start with this vase made out of wood, and I really love the shape that it has. And I'm also going to be using this small picture in green color. I have this small Christmas tree. It doesn't even have like a good vase, so I'm going to use the picture as the vase, and I'm going to put it inside. I have these ones. I'm pretty sure these big ones are from Hobby Lobby, and these berries are from Hobby Lobby too. I put them together like this, and I'm gonna try to put them inside the vase. Now let's add the small decoration pieces. I have this cute reindeer that I can put right here. I have this believe sign, and then maybe another small Christmas tree. Maybe a small like bow on the reindeer, on the neck of the reindeer. okay, my love, this is how my kitchen turned out and I really like it. I was thinking about putting some wreaths on the other windows that I have, but I think it's too much. So I decide no, I'm gonna leave it just like that. I love the Christmas vibe that it has, so I'm gonna leave it like this, and I hope that you like it, that you can take some inspiration on how you can decorate your kitchen for Christmas. Super simple, cute, and on a budget. So I hope that you like it. If you do, a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed, and see you on the next one. Bye guys!